Now let's go over the scale command. Before I can scale an object, first I must have it selected. Here I'm going to select my entire rectangle and then go to my scale button. I'm going to click once and we will see several grip points have been highlighted around my object. Now if I grab one of the corner grips, I can scale my object larger or smaller in proportion. Hit escape. If I grab one of the center points on the surface, it will be scaled in one direction. If I grab one of the grips on an edge, I can scale it in multiple directions. I can also highlight and select more than one object, hit scale, and it will allow me to scale all those objects together. I can also select a surface and it will scale this and adjust the adjacent surfaces accordingly.